Hello and a very good morning, dear. Hope you all are well and enjoying your classes. In our last class, we have completed our topic digestion in humans as it started from the buccal cavity, moving on to oesophagus, stomach, the small intestine, after this, the large intestine, and the removal of waste from rectum and anus. And today we will study digestion in grass eating animals, means how digestion process takes place in grass eating animals. So starting from animals such as goat, cow keep on chewing even they are not eating. As you also seen that whenever there is no food present in front of the grass eating animals, they continue chewing. What's the reason? It is due to their special type of digestive system, as they swallow grass quickly and store in a part of stomach called rumen. As grass eating animals, when they have food in front of them, they swallow the food continuously, and the food continuously swallowed is stored in a part of stomach, rumen. There is a rumen part in the grass eating animals. So this part stores the food quickly. The part of food is partially digested is called cud. Means when they are chewing this food, it means partially means a small part of food is digested. So this food is called cud. And after some time, when there is food absent, means the food finishes, the cud returns mouth, means the undigested food or partially digested food returns to mouth of animals and animals chew it. Means the process is called rumination. Means the complete chewing is done. The process is called rumination. The partially digested food is called cud, and the chewing of cud means again chewing of food is called rumination. So these animals are called ruminants. As this process takes place because grass is rich in source of cellulose. Grass is a rich source of cellulose, and animals like cattle, deer, etc. have bacteria in their rumen part which digest it, as rumen part has special type of bacteria which digest the cellulose. These animals have large sac structure called cecum between oesophagus and small intestine. Means the animals have cecum structure, means cecum like sac in between oesophagus and small intestine, where cellulose digestion happens. The undigested food is removed from body. Understand the grass digestion with the help of a picture. As its example of cow, as cow eats grass hurriedly, and this grass travels from this food pipe and stored in the rumen. Means rumen part stores the food quickly, and when there is no grass available in front of cow, means when cow eats all the grass, then there will be no grass present, means the grass finish, and then the rumen part again sends the undigested food to the mouth of the cow. Means rumen sends the food to the cud, the undigested food stored in cud, and cud again send the food to the mouth. Cow again chews and continuous chewing process takes place in the mouth, and when there is complete conversion of grass into simple substances, then the food is sent into the cecum part where the complete digestion takes place, and after digestion the food is sent to the intestine, and intestine it is exhaled out the waste products from the body. So it's the process in ruminants, means the grass eating animals. The next one is digestion in amoeba, as it is a microscopic single celled organism found in pond water. Microscopic means it is very small in size, and it is single cell, means there is single cell in the body of amoeba, as it continuously changes its shape and position, as the shape of the amoeba continuously change. It brings out finger-like projections from the body called pseudopod or false feet to capture the food. As this is the shape of amoeba, it continuously changes its shape as if there is a food present near the body of amoeba. It changes its shape and there is a projection, finger-like projections. These are called pseudopodia. The amoeba creates the pseudopodia to capture the food, as these pseudopodia brings the food inside the body, and inside body the food vacuoles are present where there is a digestion of the food takes place, means the food particles are taken in the food vacuoles and the energy is taken from the food. The waste particle is removed out from the body, as in the food vacuoles the digestive juices are secreted and the food is converted into simple substances, means after conserving energy or taking energy, the extra food, means the undigested food, is expelled out from the body. So it's the digestion in amoeba. Now some facts are there. Cow makes 40 to 60,000 jaw movements per day on chewing food, means there are average 40 to 60,000 jaw movements made by cow to completely digest the food, completely chewing the food. Two questions are there. Explain animal digestion with different parts. The second question is explain digestion in amoeba. Hope you all understood the class.